Hello, and welcome to the OneBusiness ERP training video series. In this tutorial, we will be discussing the task list transactions of the plant maintenance module. To get started, please click on the task list tile. From there, we will explore the task list transaction and how it can assist in the asset maintenance module. A task list is an item used for maintenance planning. You can incorporate a task list into equipment maintenance planning by creating a task list. Essentially, a task list outlines the maintenance required for equipment. This page, also known as a dashboard, displays all task lists. It is a listing page that displays the task list number, task type, work center, planner group, maintenance strategy, status, and action item blocks. You can filter the task lists by description and view the details using the I button, just like with other transactions. You can also modify the task list details using the Edit button. Finally, click the Add New Task List button, fill in the information on the page, and click Submit to create a new task list. Alternatively, you can copy an existing task list to create a new one. So, what is the purpose of the task list? Staff use task lists to create maintenance planning documents that include equipment. That concludes our training session on task lists. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful.